have the September Boxyluxe for you guys. I was going to record both the base box and Luxe together, but decided to separate them out just in case you don't want to watch the base or vice versa. These landed on my door and I was like, oh, I love doing a try on for you guys, but today we're just gonna do an unboxing because I'm short on time. I gotta pick up the kiddo in like 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you guys want a full like get ready with me try on of these products, let me know down below and I will do that separately on a different day. But let's go ahead and just see what's in here. I'm so excited for this month. Okay, sorry, I was just breaking the seal open. Okay, first things first, this is the box and it just says Fall Luxe 2022 and this is the version 417. First thing in here, which I am going to have a freaking heart attack, is the Natasha Denona XOXO palette. Oh, I about had a heart attack when I saw this box land on my doorstep just now. I was like, no way that I'm getting the Luxe box this month. And they do send me this for review purpose, and I do have an affiliate link down below, so you guys know I like to keep that up front with you guys. This is worth $69. I love Natasha Denona. All you gotta do is look through my collection videos and you will see I own probably like 3 or 4 of her big palettes and probably like 9 or 10 or more of her 5-pan palettes. Obsessed with her formula. So this one, oh my god. Okay, control yourself, Melissa. Control. Look how gorgeous these shades are. Oh, I love her formula. I've been controlling myself from buying stuff because I have way too much, but I love her formula. So excited to have this. This has beautiful peels. Beautiful teals, greens, lovely neutrals. Let's go ahead and just swatch a little, just touch it a touch. Her mattes are just so buttery, so yummy. Her shimmers are gorgeous. I just love her formula. Her formula is just absolutely gorgeous. So, thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for sending me the Luxe box. I can't even tell you. If you don't know, I love her formula. Okay, let's go ahead and go forward from that. And we also have in here, oh my god, this, you know what? Like, I've been waiting for a box like this, a box that I'm like, oh yeah! And this month, both the base and Luxe on point. Let me know about the premium. I don't get the premium, but so excited. This is the McGrath Labs Batch Idols eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Rose Venus. Let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, I need scissors. I'm like, I can't do this. As always, McGrath stuff comes with all this sequins, and this is just a single eyeshadow. I absolutely, another one of the formulas that I can't live without is McGrath. If you've ever tried any of your formulas, chef's kiss, gorgeous. So this is, oh my god, look how gorgeous. Rose Venus. Oh, anytime I have like Natasha Denona, McGrath, there are certain formulas that I wear and people are literally like, oh my god, what eyeshadow do you have on? Like your eyeshadow look is beautiful. And it's just, look at that. Just gorgeous. They're just so buttery and just so pigmented on. These are just, her shadows are amazing, and it's almost a crime because they're a little pricey. Not a little, they're a lot pricey, and so it's almost like a little heart-wrenching when you buy one of her palettes, but when you wear them, you're just like, oh. Anytime she has a sale, take advantage. Okay, and that is worth $25, just that one eyeshadow. Next up is the Ole Henriksen C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is $34. This box this month, I love Ole Henriksen. I actually had one of their products in my project pan Love, love, love their stuff. Absolutely amazing. If you want a really good skincare regimen, Ole Henriksen is one of those brands that I highly recommend. This one has 3 sources of vitamin C and rose of winter extract. So I will be adding this into my skincare collection. Skincare for me is absolutely essential. It has that citrusy smell that most of their orange packaging does, which is all their vitamin C stuff. Amazing. And this is worth $34. Next up is Ren Clean Skincare, and this is the Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. I will give this to somebody who has issues with redness. I do not, so I rather give this to somebody who does have issues and will take advantage of it. It's clean to skin, clean to planet, and is supposed to help with redness on the skin, and has like a mushroom extract and beta carotene. It has different things to help with that issue and is for sensitive skin, and this is $60. Next up is the Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment, and let's see where you're at. This is in the shade Pink Cersei. I'm not sure if this is tinted or not. And basically this is $26. Whoa, that is like a huge balm. And it's a hydrating lip treatment that provides hydration while softening and smoothing and plumping. That's what it looks like right there. It's just a nice clear kind of shade to it. I do have a lot of makeup, like lip balms that I have open, so I can't even talk today. I'm just like so excited about this box. So this is nice. I will give this forward just because I have way too many balms. And when I say I have way too many balms, look, this is not even like a portion of them. Like I have a whole nother drawer full of them. So, you know, I only got one pair of lips. So sometimes I gotta give stuff forward. So that one I'm not gonna touch. I'm just gonna gift it forward. But that one is worth $26, and it's supposed to like really condition your lip and add shine and cushion to it. Next up is the Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. If you see my channel, you know I am all about wearing stuff underneath my eyes. I love patches like this. This one says that right after one application, you can definitely see a difference. And yeah, I'm all about this. And basically, this is what those eye patches look like. You just put them underneath your eyes. One of the first things that I do when I wake up in the morning is apply these eye patches underneath. I have different brands in my bathroom, and that's one of the first things that I do. I just feel like it really helps with hydration and just helps with those wrinkles and with my makeup applying smoother underneath my eyes. So these are depuffing and brightening eye gels with colloidal silver, and these are worth $28. It doesn't say how many comes in here. It says 8 pairs in this box, so they are individually wrapped, which is really nice. Next thing is the Queen Studio Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo, and this is worth $18. I don't think I've ever tried any of their lip liners. Yeah, looking over at my lip liners, I don't think I have any of theirs. The one is called SOS and the other one is called Spray Tan. Let's go ahead and see what these shades look like. One is red and the other one is like a brown. These are very, very nice and creamy, and that's what they look like. It's these swatches up here. The ones on the bottom are from the Boxy Base box. My hand just is looking insane right now with all these swatches, but look how gorgeous those are. So I could definitely do like a full look using a lot of these products, especially just like the eye palettes. Woo, so if you guys want one, or if you just want me to do something on Instagram, let me know as well. And then the last thing in here is the Sponge Jelly Honey Blossom Soap Buffer. This is $18. I kind of like these, but then I don't like them because sometimes they don't become like soft enough. It actually has like a little, I don't know if this one has it. I don't see it. I don't see the little cord on this one. Some of them have like a little cord, but this is like a reusable sponge and it already has the body wash like built into here. And this one smells really, really good. It has like this very sweet honey smell to it. And that is it for the Luxe box. If you can't tell by my reaction to this month's boxes, This month is my jam. This is the kind of stuff that I want to see from BoxyCharm. Please take note, more of this. Woo! The Ole Henriksen, the Ren, the under eye patches is something that I like. These are really nice. And these are the star of the show. Holy moly. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Calm yourself. As always, I will put the total value around here. Let me know your thoughts. Are you excited? I guess if you already own this palette, you might not be excited. But I don't own this palette and Mama's excited. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you ain't subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. If you want to see more unboxings, more beauty videos, I've just been doing a little bit of everything, project panning. Also, I have my social media down below. What you waiting for? Go follow me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.